To begin, open the Facebook Messenger app on your phone. In your chat list, locate the conversation you would like to pin. Then, tap and hold the conversation. From the pop-up menu, select Pin. Now scroll back to the top, and your pinned chat will be displayed at the top of your chat list. A pin icon will appear next to the conversation, indicating it is pinned. Pinning conversations keeps your most important chats easily accessible at the top of your list. You can pin a maximum of 3 conversations at once. To unpin a conversation, tap and hold the pinned chat. Then select Unpin from the menu. The conversation will be unpinned, and move back to its original position in the chat list, sorted by the time of the last message. And that's how you can easily pin and unpin chat conversations on Facebook Messenger.